Hello everyone, we are Wei Gang and today we would like to present our project title, this food and beverage web-based ordering system from Warung D3K. This is course of software testing and mm, the, the following are the member of our project team. The first member, it's me, Dimas Mareta Satria Utomo. The next member, Muhammad Adrian Al-Muzaki. And the last member, Adan Zailani. Let's process to the main discussion of our project. And this background, 4 point. The first point, culinary digitalization. This technological advancement drive culinary SMAS to adopt digital system to improve service efficiency. The second point, manual process issue. Manual recording, just error, order error, long quest, and insured billing calculation. And the next point, web-based solution. The Warung D3K web ordering system is built with PHP, MySQL, XAMPP, and Tailwind CSS. The last point, importance of testing. Black box testing ensures all functionality run according to specification before being used by real user. And the next slide, this a problem statement. The first problem, have all features of the Warung D3K. System functioned in accordance with the specific requirements. And the next point is the system capable of handling invalid input by displaying appropriate error message. And the last point, has the admin order management feature been working properly, including status change, order deletion, and admin login authentication. And the next slide, project objective. This is 4 point our project objective. And the first point, build the system. This develop a web-based food and beverage ordering system for Warung D3K. And the next point, operational efficiency, facilitate real-time order management for customer and restaurant admin. And the next point, black box testing, conducts functional testing using the black box testing method in structured manner. And the last point, scientific document the testing process and the result in a scientific and comprehensive manner. And the next slide, this is our slide system overview. Technology use, first PHP for the server-side programming language. Next, MySQL for database management system. And the next, XAMPP for local server environment. And the next, Tailwind CSS for responsive CSS framework. And the last technology use, JavaScript for client-side interaction. This is system flow. The first customer, and the next web server, next database, and the next admin panel. Next slide. This is customer feature. Uh, this 6 point. The point first, view menu. This display complete food, tampil daftar makanan dan minuman lengkap. And the next feature, add to cart, select produk, pilih produk dan tambah ke keranjang. And the next, change quantity, plus minus button to change item quantity. And the next, remove item, remove product from chart. Next, fill check out the tiles, name, table number, notes, and the last point, order confirmation, order save with pending status. Uh, in the next slide, this is admin feature. First with your first with your admin login. This username authentication, username and password authentication. Next, order history, view all incoming orders. Next, order the tiles, item, quantity, and total price. Next, update status, pending to processing to done, cancelled. And the next, delete order, delete with confirmation dialog. And the last feature, logout safely and the admin session. Next slide. This is next slide, our database structure slide. The first slide, produk, ID produk, nama produk, deskripsi, harga, kategori gambar, status. This the storage data of product being sold. Second, database, pesanan, ID pesanan, nama pembeli, nomor meja, catatan, total harga, status, create at for header data for each order. Next, database, detail pesanan, ID detail, ID pesanan, ID produk, primary key, ID pesanan primary key, jumlah harga satuan. This the item within each order. The last database structure, admin, ID admin, username, password, hash, for the system administrator credentials. And the next slide,
Okay, testing method, black box testing. For the definition, black box testing is a testing method that examines application functionality without knowledge of the internal code structure. Tester focus on the system input and output from an end user perspective. Technique use, first use case testing, and then equivalence partitioning, and then scenario positive and negative. For user perspective, focus on the experience and expectation of end user. No internal code does not require in-depth knowledge of the source code. Bug detection, effective at finding functional errors overlooked by developers. Last one, suitable for web system, suitable for web-based information system with many features. Okay, next slide, testing admin login. For the scenario, first successful login, input username and password for admin. For the expected output, redirect to admin dashboard page. For the result is pass. And then second scenario, for the wrong password, input username, wrong username and password username. For the expected output, error message, username or password incorrect. For the result is pass. For the empty fields, for the input is empty, expected output, form validation display, login rejected, result pass. So in admin login test case is pass 100%. Okay, next testing for the keranjang and checkout. So in first scenario is add product to cart. For the input is click add button on product. For the example is nasi goreng, and then expected output product added to cart and counter update. For the result is pass. And then second scenario, remove product from cart. For the input is click delete icon on es teh manis. Expected output product remove, total price adjust. For the result is pass. Okay, next scenario, check out with complete data. For the input is name, for the example name Budi, table 5. For the not no chili. Expected output is order save, confirmation page display, and then for the result is pass. Last scenario in cart, check out with empty name. For the input is name is empty. For the table is 3. Expected output validation customer name is required. For the result is pass. Testing for order history. So in first scenario is display buyer name. For the input is open order history page, and then expected output is buyer name column display. For the result is pass. And then the display table number. For the input is open order history page. Expected output is table number column display. Result pass. Next scenario is display notes. For the input is open order details, and then expected output is order notes display completely. For the result is pass. Display product details, input, click detail on order 001. For the expected output, item list, quantity, unit price display. For the result is pass. In last scenario in order history is display total payment. For the input is click detail on order 001. For the expected output is total payment display correctly. For the result is pass. So next testing is update status. For the first scenario is pending to processing. For the input is select status processing on order 002. Expected output status change to processing. For the result is pass. Next scenario is processing to done. For the input is select status done on order 003. Expected output here status change to done. For the result is pass. Pending. Next scenario is pending to cancelled. For the input is check status cancelled on order 004. And then expected output here status change to cancelled. For the result is pass. And delete order is for the input click delete confirm on order 005. And then expected output order delete from database. Result pass. And then last scenario is cancel deletion. For the input is click cancel on the delete confirmation dialog, and then expected output here order remains dialog close. For the result is pass. So for the next slide will be presenting by my friend.
Result and discussion. All main features successfully run according to specification. Data storage and read correctly from the database. Admin can manage order in real time. System meets user needs. Customer system and admin. Input validation prevents invalid data from entering the system. Conclusion: the Warung D3 key system was successfully built using PHP, MySQL, XAMPP, and Tailwind CSS. Black box testing was conducted on 20 test cases with a 100% success rate. All customer and admin feature run in accordance with the definite requirements. The system is capable of handling negative scenarios, invalid input with informative error message. The black box testing method proved effective in verifying the functionality of a web-based system. The Warung D3K system is ready to be used as an ordering platform in real operational environment. Development recommendation, customer login, online payment, real-time notification, report dashboard, table QR code, and further testing.
Okay, this is the end of our presentation. Thank you for your attention. We appreciate your time and welcome any question you may have. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.